Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Miss Pinky Webb. Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez, Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No. That's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo an investigator, we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo rito.
Mr. Chair, we are still in the investigating.
Are you trying to steal this?
No. I am raising prejudicial question. I am, sinasabi ko, Mr. Chair, sinabi ko na sa iyo, the interest of this committee is the impartiality, the objectivity. Saan mo kayo magbibigay ng opinion? Why did you choose, for example, Bryce? Over to this guy.
My opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion. You are question.
I am questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
What's your opinion?
Ang mangyayari nito, so, mas credible si Bryce kaysa Diskaya. Bakit gano'n? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Mr. President, we are still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
Why are
then
you
we
so
should not
protective of
judge.
this guy? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba nating i-record ito? Palagi niyo sinasabi, I am protective of the Diskaya. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of Witness Protection Program. That's all what I did.
Cesar is resumed.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
Thanks, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of these proceedings if you will not allow me raise these points. Maybe in the plenary this afternoon I will raise it.